Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a super quick and delicious treat for you. Almond Centre Cookies that you can whip up in under 10 minutes. And if you wish to learn how to make them, then let's get baking. First, the very basic ingredient, of course, we need unsalted butter at room temperature. You will need to whisk the butter for a good 3 to 5 minutes until it's pale and fluffy. This will help to make the cookies light and airy. Next up, we will be adding the icing sugar. The idea of creaming the butter and sugar mixture is to create air pockets as the sugar melts along with the butter in the cookies while baking. Next, we will take the all-purpose flour, sieving it all through and bringing it together to make a soft dough. If it's your first time, I would suggest you add the flour little at a time to get the right consistency. Write to me in the comments below if you have trouble getting the dough right. Next, we will be taking the roasted almond powder, to which we will be adding cinnamon powder and a tablespoon of Nutella. The cinnamon along with the almonds and Nutella give a perfect balance of a nutty and chocolatey texture to the center of the cookies. Taking about a quarter cup of the dough, we will add it to the chocolate mixture. I found the mixture needed some more nuts and chocolate to give it a more distinct taste. This is the consistency we are looking for. Now, taking the cookie dough, we will roll it out into a rectangular sheet with a thickness of about half a centimeter. In case you do not have the butter paper, you can easily roll out the dough in a large Ziploc bag, but make sure to dust it with a dry flour to avoid the dough from sticking to the plastic. Now, taking the chocolate dough and dividing it into equal portions, we will take one part and roll it like I've shown here. Cut the extras, if any, and place it over the cookie dough, pressing it lightly to hold. Roll over the white dough with the help of the butter paper, or if you're using the plastic sheet. Gently roll it over, pressing it lightly. And now, using a knife or a bench scraper, cut off the dough like I've shown. Now roll the dough to get a smooth final texture and cut the ends if needed. You can have the cookies to be any length you want, but simply remember to bake accordingly, as the smaller the cookies, the lesser the time in the oven. Share a picture of your version of these cookies, and I'll be happy to feature you in my next video. So write to me in the comments below. These cookies can now go into the preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 14 minutes. Make sure to keep an eye as every oven temperature varies. Once the cookies are out of the oven, allow them to cool for a few minutes on the tray before transferring them on the wire rack to cool completely. Once the cookies have cooled down, take about half a cup of melted dark chocolate to drizzle over the cookies. If there is a recipe you'd like me to share on my channel, write to me in the comments below and I'll surely have it up for you. Similarly, we will coat the rest of the cookies with the dark chocolate. I would love to hear from you once you have tried the recipe and given it your style of decorating them. And now lastly, we will take melted white chocolate and drizzle it over the dark chocolate to give it that beautiful luxurious look. These cookies can last up to 2 weeks in an airtight container. Give this recipe a try and let me know how they turned out in the comments below. Crisp and golden on the outside, with a perfectly nutty center where you can see those bits of almonds giving it that extra crunch. And for more such recipes, do check out the other videos on my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye for now.